TimesNow.in presents the Academic Excellence Awards 2025, where top educators from across the industry have gathered under one roof. The summit brought together the brightest minds to discuss the pivotal role of technology in education, exploring how the sector is adapting to the latest trends and meeting the demands of the future.
It is my pleasure and honor to be a part of, Times Now Academic Excellence Award 2025. Education is very, very much important these days. They are our, future. They can, do such success. They are our bride for the future. Thank you so much for having me.
Education is not only a tool for personal growth, it is the bedrock of societal progress. It molds leaders, thinkers, and innovators of tomorrow. Today, we honor those who have dedicated their lives to this cause, and we aim to spark meaningful dialogue on shaping the future of education in India.
What kind of classroom are you imagining 5 years from now? How do you think it will look like, and what are the innovations in AI power edtech do you think will be the most transformative for both teachers and students in the next 5 to 10 years? We'll go clockwise.
Actually, students are always fond of learning things lively, learn by experience and learn by experiment. They always fond of learning things practically that can be imparted with the help of AI. We have heard about augmented reality, so through which we can make a student to experience things lively. The tool now, it is in, we are not following everywhere, but down the line, as you have asked, about the 5 years, surely we can see AR will be available in most of the places to provide students live education, practical education. Even the medical students can able to see things virtually, how the surgery is being made.
Using this AI technology, we just have to move from being from numbers and make it a more narrative feedback that helps the two students to bridge the gap.
You don't have to worry about where you're coming from, which small village you're in which part of the world. In another 5-10 years, it's already happening. You have apps teaching you different languages. Well, that is possible. You can envision a future where I take a course in English from English literature in England, and then probably my next course is at 7 o'clock at university at US. So this is where I see technology going.
There are a few scientists saying that entire AI will be wiped out in 2032 and will be replaced by OI, Organized Intelligence. We used to say we have to prepare students once knowledge ready, then industrial ready, future ready. Remember, now time has come, we have to make our students revolutionary ready.
Today, if a teacher is absent, we know that she can log in from wherever she is, or we have an AI-generated teacher teaching the children, right? That is one scenario. We have another scenario, probably in the primary or the middle class, where a child would probably want to talk to a teacher, a real teacher, not an AI-generated teacher. So what I see 5 years from now is, yes, teachers could be replaced for a short time, but not for the entire hours of teaching and learning that's going to happen. At the end of the day, children, education, learning will require the live person to interact with.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the moment that all our esteemed guests have been truly waiting for. We shall now commence with the felicitation of the top city schools which offer international curriculums and national curriculums. The first category today is for the top-ranked national schools CBSE curriculum. And the award for the top-ranked national school West Zone goes to Sudarsanam Vidyashram, Thiruverkadu. The next award today is for the top-ranked National School East Zone. And the award goes to Annai Violets International School, Ambattur. The next award today is for the top-ranked National School North Zone. And the winner is Everwin Vidyashram Senior Secondary School, Kolattur. The next award today is to the top-ranked national school in the South Zone, and this award goes to San Academy, Pallikarnai. The next award is for the top-ranked national school, Northwest Zone, Greenfield, Chennai International School, Madhavaram. The next award is to the top school, National Southeast Zone, and the winner is Hindustan International School, Padur. Top-ranked Global School West Zone award goes to Archie Global School, Ananagar. The next top-ranked Global School award in the North Zone goes to the Indian Public School, Ambattur. Next award for the top-ranked Global School, South Zone, goes to Hindustan International School, Guindy. The top-ranked Global School Southeast Zone award goes to the Indian Public School, Perungudi. The next award is once again to the top-ranked global school, but this time in the Central Zone, I2 Global School. Top-ranked emerging school in CBSE curriculum, South Zone award goes to Everwin Vidyashram, Janakipuram. The first award for Excellence in Education Innovation National in the West Zone goes to the Leo Academy of Excellence Senior Secondary School, Ananagar. To receive the next award, which is Excellence in Education Innovation National from the East Zone, please join me in welcoming Darwin Public School, Puduvagaram. The next award for Excellence in Education Innovation National in the North Zone goes to Everwin Vidyashram, Perambur. The next Excellence in Education Innovation National Award from the South Zone goes to Wales Vidyashram, Talambur. Excellence in Education Innovation National from the Southeast Zone goes to Hindustan International School, Karapakam. The Excellence in Education Innovation International Award from the East Zone. Please join me in welcoming Archie Global School, Ayanam Bakam. The The next Excellence in Education Innovation Award in the South Zone, Wales International School, Injambakam. The next category of awards, Top Ranked School in Life Skills Development overall. From the West Zone, please put your hands together for Godson Public School, Vinayagapuram. The next award for the top ranked school in life skill development for Everwin Public School, Madurai from the East Zone. The next top-ranked school in life skill development from the North Zone goes to Everwin Vidyashram Senior Secondary School, Mathur. The next top-ranked school in life skill development award from the South Zone. Please join me in welcoming San Academy, Kamakoti Nagar. The next award to the top-ranked school in life skill development from the Central Zone goes to Velammal Nexus, Chennai. Ladies and gentlemen, the first award in this category goes to the most promising school, Sri Gokulam Public School, Chengalpet. The next award goes to the best chain of schools in Tamil Nadu for the Everwin Group of Schools, Chennai. Moving on to the next award, which is the Digital Pedagogy Driven Progressive School for Vedanta Academy Senior Secondary School, Vanagaram. The next award today is to the best school for futuristic education. This award goes to Darwin Public School, Puduagaram. The next award today is for excellence in technology integration in learning. Annai Violet International School, Ambattur. The next award is for excellence in academic performance, and the winner is ACS Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arani. The next award is for the top foundation school for early age, and this award goes to Anant International Schools, Akkarai. Next award, which is for innovation in teaching and learning methodology, Kannamal International Senior Secondary School, Arani. The next award is for innovation and outstanding thought leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, to receive this award, please join me in welcoming Remo International School, Alandur. The next award goes to the Best Emerging School brand. Please put your hands together for the Best Emerging School brand, MS Dhoni Global School. The next award is for excellence in transformative education. And the winner of this award is Everwin Vidyashram, Surapet. The award for excellence in student advancement and mentoring goes to Anant International Schools, Akkarai. The next award today is for the innovators in academic excellence, and the winner of this award is Everwin Metric Higher Secondary School, Kolattur. The next award today recognizes excellence in child overall development. The SAV Balakrishna Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Vadatankulam, Tirunelveli. The next award is for remarkable contribution in progressive education, and this award goes to Vedanta Academy Senior Secondary School, Banagaram. The next award today goes to the school with the most impactful learning methods. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Greenfield Chennai International School, Madhavaram. The next category of awards, top preschool with school integrations from the West Zone, is Archie Global School, Ananagar. The next top preschool with school integrations award goes to Everwin Global Kids, Kolattur. The next school that we would like to recognize on this stage for the top preschool with school integration from the Northwest Zone for Woodstock Montessori, Madhavaram. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category of awards that we're about to present is to the premier standalone schools, the Kinder Preschool, a unit of Madras Global Schools from Ananagar. The next premier standalone preschool from the East Zone, please put your hands together for Sadhana International Preschool, Tiruverkadu. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Touch Sky, the International Preschool, Vinayagapuram. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category of award for outstanding emerging preschool education from the East Zone goes to Rise and Shine, the International Play School, Ambattur. Moving on with the next set of awards, we will recognize premier preschools. So ladies and gentlemen, the best chain of preschools award goes to EuroKids Preschool, Chennai. The next award is for the best preschool in innovative curriculum, and this award goes to EuroKids Preschool, Chennai. The next award is for the best preschool in early childhood education, and this award goes to Benzie Kids. The next award is for the best preschool in child-centered learning, goes to Kangaroo Kids, Chennai. Because the next award for the premier preschool group brand once again goes to Kangaroo Kids, Chennai. So ladies and gentlemen, the first award is in this category is for the best aviation college, Remo International College. The next award goes to the outstanding contribution to hotel management education. This award goes to Dr. MGR University, Faculty of Hotel Management and Culinary Arts. The next award is to the Best Overseas Educational Consultancy. Please put your hands together for Go Study. The next award is to the top NEET Coaching Institute. Please put your hands together and welcome VVT Coaching Center, Chennai. The next award is to the Best Pilot Training Institute. Please join me in welcoming Felix Pilot Training Institute. The next award recognizes excellence in tech-based AI, STEAM and STEM education. Please put your hands together for Meritus AI Learning Experiences Private Limited. Today we would like to appreciate and recognize the best uniform manufacturers from Tamil Nadu. Put your hands together for Limitless Clothing, Messrs. Ripples. This award goes to the best IELTS, TOEFL and PTE Coaching Institute. Please put your hands together for Go Study Chennai.